In the Shopify tutorial, we'll see how we can open our header menu in new links. What that means is if I click my header menu right now in Dawn theme, it is opening in the same tab, but we want to open that in the new tab just like the footer links. What we already did in a previous video, the link will be given in the description. Okay, so now let's see how we can do the same for the header menu as well. So the first thing you need to do is to go to online store and then click on themes, and like as always click this three dot and click on the duplicate to have a backup version of your theme. If anything goes wrong, then you can just refer back to that. Click on edit code, and after that in my case many things are opening. I will just close all of them. All you need to do is to just scroll down to snippets and scroll down, and you will find three files related to header. One is header drawer.liquid, dropdown.liquid, and megamenu.liquid. Another one you will find in the description is a blog post. Just copy that part of the blog post, copy that, and go to online store and open these two files. One is header mega menu and header drop down menu. What we want both our all our files to be like whatever in the drop down should open in the new link, and also the menu should open in the new tab. For that we need to first open header drop down menu, and then you just need to scroll down, and then you find a option called a tag, and under the a tag go to the blog and copy that part of the code. Just target underscore blank, copy that, and after in the a tag, inside the a tag, if you scroll down a little bit more, after href double quotation paste that here. Okay, after the double quotation near to the href. Okay, same as scroll down a little bit more, here you will find another a tag. Just same, do the same, paste the target near the a tag. Okay, and then you can see we have a save button. Click on save, and then we need to click on the header mega menu. So I'll click on, after saving this file, there is two places we need to put the code. We did it. Now click on header mega menu, then do the same for the header menu. Scroll down a little bit, you will find a tag and an href, and after the double quotation of href, paste the same code that you have copied, and scroll down a little bit more, you will find another a tag. Do the same inside the href. Scroll down and we will find another a tag is also given, right, and it is also closed. Now click on save. Now come to the page and refresh it, and now let's click on the contact. Now you can see our pages is opening in a new tab, and if we click on the drop down page as well, it is also opening in the new tab. But if we see this in the mobile link will open in the same tab. But if you want to do the same for the mobile as well, which actually does not make sense, because we don't want mobile's links to be opened in the new tab, it does not make sense. But if you want it, for that you need to edit the header drawer.liquid file only for mobile version. This file will affect that in the mobile version. Same, just scroll down and find the a tag just like that and paste the code. I will not do that because I don't want it to open in the new tab for mobile version. I only want this for the desktop, and that's how you can just open header menu and sub menu of a Dawn theme in a new tab.